if you go off-road at all in your vehicle, at certain points you're probably going to want to manipulate the tyre pressure in both your vehicle and your camper trailer or caravan, whatever the hell it is that you're towing. For example, if you're going down a long stretch of dirt or gravel road and it's got washaways and corrugations and things like that, you probably lower your tyre pressure to cushion the ride a little bit, makes it run a little bit smoother. Or if you're travelling on sand or muddy sections, you probably want to lower the tyre pressure a bit to help you increase traction, and that's the point at which you're going to want something like this, which is a Tyre Deflator. This is an excellent one because it's got a nice little bit of chinglish along the bottom there. If you have a look, it tells you no tossing because it may decrease the accuracy of the thing. That's important. They don't cost much. This one came off eBay. I think it was about 25 or 30 bucks or something like that, and that's all it is. If you have a look at a lot of them, they all look the same. They probably come out of the same factory in China, if it was my guess. That's the part that does the deflating itself, and that's your gauge, so you can tell where you're at and what's happening. Okay, you start by removing the valve cap, and then you make sure that this part here is pulled all the way to the end, and now we're going to screw it on with this section here. So place it over your valve, turn that till it's down tight, like so. Just check again that that's down as far as it'll go. Now this part here, we're going to push that on until you feel it click, turn it to the left, and that'll remove the valve itself. Don't worry, it's not going to fly off or any. So just turn it, and that'll be out. There you go. Now to get the air out, currently we've got 45 psi. You can see that on there. To lower that, we pull that, and then we check, and we're nearly down to 40. Right on 40. So you can take it down to whatever you want just by doing that. Once it's at the pressure that you want, you put your valve back in, so it's the reverse. Push that in, turn it until it clicks, and then just turn it until it's nice and tight. There you go. That's locked in. Now we grab this part here and unscrew the whole unit, like so. Just check that it's not leaking. You put a bit of spit on your finger or thumb or whatever and mush it across there. If you've got any bubbles coming out, then it's leaking. No bubbles there, so it's all good. So just put our cap back on, and that's it. We've lowered our tyre pressure. So you're obviously going to want to at some point put air back in your tyres, so it's a good idea to have a fairly decent sort of 12-volt compressor in your kit. That's the one that I use there, and to use it, simple matter of whack it on the ground, start your car up, and then it just clips onto the negative and positive battery terminals. Once that's on there, you just get a little switch there, away she goes. You grab the inflator part, that just clips on there. You've done this before, you know how it goes. Then you just press that until you get to the pressure you want, and that's it. Bob's your uncle, unless he's your auntie, and it's a whole different story.